Managing your equipment can be easier than ever, and your fleet can always run at peak efficiency and performance. Maximize what your equipment can do with John Deere Operations Center Pro Golf. Stay on top of scheduled maintenance with up-to-date factory recommended schedules, and add your own work orders easily for any make of equipment. There's no need to manually enter engine hours on your connected machines or manually track every piece of inventory. That's all integrated right into John Deere Pro Golf. And by enabling a partnership connection, your dealer can see your John Deere Pro Golf data and supply you with parts and service for all your maintenance and repair needs. One online dashboard, so you don't have to jump between apps or track down paperwork, giving you and your maintenance tech the power to run your fleet at peak performance. Connect, guide, and manage like never before. Experience it now with John Deere Operations Center Pro Golf.